Under the sponsorship of the World Bank's Food Security Enhancement Project, the Ministry of Agriculture and Lands, Forestry and Marine Resources in Grenada is embarking on a mission to bolster local food production and reduce dependency on imports. More than 100 of the nation's farmers are now equipped with knowledge they can use to impact individual production and positively impact the country's pursuit of enhanced food security. They participated in a training session Wednesday, which was sponsored by the World Bank's Food Security Enhancement Project and organized by the Ministry of Agriculture and Lands, Forestry and Marine Resources. The training focused on root crops such as tanya, yam, dashin, cassava, sweet potato, and ginger. Chief Agronomist Alison Hines emphasized the significance of the initiative in driving down costs and enhancing food security.
We are at the point in Grenada where production is very low, and we are importing significant volumes of root crops from outside of Grenada, and in particular from countries like St. Vincent, one of our nearest neighbors. We are also at the point in Grenada where the cost, the price that some of the root crops are being sold for is exorbitantly high.
The event, which included theoretical sessions and hands-on exercise at the Maribo Plant Propagation Station, sought to promote local consumption, increase production, and introduce sustainable techniques. The farmers gained insight into agronomic practice and pest management techniques. Many expressed enthusiasm for implementing their newfound knowledge in the upcoming planting session.
We were looking forward to a session like this in Caracol, in particular, despite today's exercise. I mean, I gained a lot of knowledge, the pest management and how to go about managing your crop out there in the field. And farmers in general will gain from my knowledge.
In here today, I were able to learn a lot more. I were able to understand that when preparing for planting root crops, we need to choose from the best and not just any old thing as we are accustomed to. So going forward, I am now better able to do a better selection for the next planting season.
We have the ability to go in a big way. We were introduced to the different dishes from the Food and Nutrition Council. How to produce these wonderful dishes from a root crop.
Pleased to be in this training where I learned a lot how to plant, the different types of potatoes. Also the areas where we could introduce more plants, more seedlings from the tanya.
This initiative is part of a border project supported by the World Bank, comprising 8 components designed to elevate food and nutrition security in Grenada and reduce the country's food import bill. Rena Thomas, GBN News.